How is healthcare involved in the fight against human trafficking? I'm Dr. Celia Williamson, and I have 26 years' experience in the fight against human trafficking. Healthcare providers are a critical component to the fight against human trafficking. How? Well, typically victims might see three conventional type of professionals. They might see criminal justice professionals, police officers, and they might be afraid or they might have a particular opinion about police officers and maybe how they were treated or how they expect to be treated. They might see social workers and maybe they have a past experience with social workers that wasn't a great experience. So the third entity that they might intersect with as a trafficking victim is healthcare. They might visit a clinic, they might visit an emergency room. And a healthcare um, agency sort of represents more of a neutral situation. They might not necessarily have a negative opinion about healthcare. We have been trained to kind of go into a healthcare facility, never met somebody. That person says, take off all your clothes, I'll be right back. I'm going to stick my fingers and instruments into holes all over your body. Is that okay? And then we go, yeah, sure, that seems reasonable. So we kind of have been trained to listen to healthcare providers. And so the healthcare system is really a window of opportunity for victims. And so we train healthcare providers to take that opportunity and ask those questions. But if you are passionate about fighting human trafficking and you're also passionate about becoming a healthcare professional, then that's going to be a great fit. Whether you're a physician, whether you're a gynecologist, whether you're a nurse, whether you're a sexual assault nurse, all of those are going to be critical in the fight against human trafficking. So I think if you choose healthcare and you're passionate about human trafficking, that's a great choice. And if you're not sure if healthcare is the thing that you ought to pursue, check out my other videos on different professions and how they intersect to fight against human trafficking. If I haven't presented one and you want to know about how you can use that profession to fight against human trafficking, message me or email me at celia@celiawilliamson.com. CeliaWilliamson, Celia@celiawilliamson.com. Also, join the Emancipation Nation Network. There is a network of anti trafficking advocates from across the US and around the world in one place. All you have to do is Google Emancipation Nation Network, and you can become a member for free. We offer free webinars and workshops and information on grants and information on the latest research and assessment tools and all the things. And you can network and talk to other advocates that are in the fight against human trafficking. The other thing you can do is listen to the Emancipation Nation podcast as you're making your decision about how you would like to enter this fight or become involved in this fight. Listen to the podcast because there are lots of experts that tell you the what they do and how they do it. And that will give you a lot of good insight on how you can become involved.